My name is Cristi Twenter. I'm the Executive Director at Edmond Mobile Meals. Edmond Mobile Meals is the Meals on Wheels program for the Edmond community. We provide daily nourishing meals as well as wellness checks and social visits to Edmond's homebound, disabled, and elderly residents. Edmond Mobile Meals is the lifeline for so many of our senior citizens. And for me personally, it feels like we are taking care of those folks. We are making sure that they have all the things that they need to remain living independently in their home, to make sure that they have the food that they need as well as the social connections. And that's just a really good feeling. Edmond's elderly population, they helped build this community to what it is today. They were our teachers, they were our firefighters, our police officers, they are veterans. They are who made the community the place that it is today. We know that the aging population of older adults is going to continue to grow over the next 40 years. Right now there are about 55 million folks over the age of 65 in the United States, and by 2040 that number will be closer to 75 million, and by 2060 it'll be 100 million. And our system is not equipped to deal with that amount of need from homebound senior citizens. They come with a whole host of their own needs in terms of orthopedic support, in terms of nutritional support, and so we are in a major growth phase so that we can prepare to serve those seniors. We never want a senior citizen to call us and need a meal and have to be put on a waiting list. So we are prepared for the future, and partnerships like these with Homes by Tabor and the Tabor Cares program allow us to continue to serve those seniors as they call and need our meal services.